Okay, so we're putting the crank in. The engine, as you can see, upside down. Well, let's do it. Gotta use this a special lubricant. That's for the break-in of the engine. When you're gonna start it first, it helps to lubricate all of the parts when you're starting the engine at the first time. A lot of people use just the oil. That's not a good idea. Better use a special stuff. It gives way more lubricant, especially at first when you start the engine. There's not oil all over the engine because the oil pump is dry because it's brand new. So this thing will possibly save a headache in case something would have happened.